Hello friends, welcome to Delectable Flavors. Now I'm going to share a recipe with you for paneer dosa. So the batter, as I shared in a last video, so you need a 3:1 ratio for the rice and the urad dal. You can use a powder form or you can use the dry one. Remember to soak it overnight, and then next morning you can grind them into a fine paste. So now my batter is ready. So I'm going to turn on the stove, and I'm going to use paneer as a filling. And for this recipe also you can find on our channel, so I will put a link in the description. And now you can sprinkle a little bit of salt, a little bit of oil. You can use any kind of oil, vegetable oil or olive oil or whatever you like, and then you can just wipe it off with a piece of paper towel. Now I always prefer to have a batter liquidy, but it's again up to you. So use a container, something like this, so you can have something to hold the batter, so in order to pour it into the thing. Now you can pour it. I always kind of pour it like loose. I leave it from a distance so it can be, you can see how nicely it is spread out, and it's nice and round. So now next is, once you see this part is done, and I want you to use the oil on the edges or on the sides so that the dosa will lift up nicely and easily. And it will also give a crispy texture and a feeling to the other side of the dosa as well. So I'm just pouring a little bit in the middle as well, so it's going to be easy in terms of lifting. So we can wait for a couple minutes, I would say a minute or so, and then we'll start trying to lift the edges of the dosa. I'm going to just give a minute, because if I'm going to do it before, then it will not give it enough time to settle it from the liquid form to solid. So I just want to let it solidify so that I can start lifting up, and then it will lift up easily. So I can see, as you can see from the edges I tried, I'm going to leave it for a couple more seconds so all the sides are lifting without any issues, because if it's not cooked properly, then it's going to start breaking from the edges. So you can just do this, and wherever you see they're breaking, then wait for a few seconds and then try again. So I just kind of did a circle around. Now I'm not sure if the middle part is good as edges as well, so be careful. If you can just lift it up this much, then you will know. Dosa is cooked only on one side, but if you wish to cook on both sides, so you can just flip it, and then you can use on both sides. I'm just checking, so it's light brown, so I'm going to just wait for a few more seconds so it can get crispy, and then we'll put the filling in and close it. So now I'm going to put cottage cheese paneer filling, and then again you can fill it based on the way you like it, more stuffy or you like light filling, whatever the way you like it. In order to garnish, you can put some green onions on it, and you can use cilantro leaves also in order to decorate it. And now we are going to lift up the sides. So now our dosa is ready. So I'm going to turn off the stove. If you want more crispy, just wait for another minute and it's going to be all done. So now I'm going to transfer it into my plate over here. So I'm going to lift it up with 2 spatulas so it's easy. And I'm going to transfer it to the plate. So dosa is always served with sambar and green coconut chutney. So if you would like to enjoy these 2 recipes for the sambar and for the coconut chutney with the idli, that's another option. If you want to do it with the badas, medu vadas, that's another option. You can use the same recipe, and you can use the vadas with that. So this was all about a paneer dosa. I hope you will enjoy the recipe. I would suggest please try, and please like our channel and subscribe, and share our recipe with as many as friends as possible. Stay tuned. Every Thursday, new recipe. Bye bye.